Hey guys, the other day I came across a prior art search engine that is AI powered. Now, if they are saying it is AI powered, probably it must be capable of functioning as intelligently as humans. I felt intrigued and felt like giving it a try. So I have some experience of doing freelance prior art search on a platform called RWS. I was invited to participate in a study which was on wireless earphones. I picked up that study and began to look for the relevant prior art using this AI powered search engine that I'm talking about. So, the study is about the wireless earphones or headphones, so to say. And it was required to map these 6 elements for the pair of wireless earphones. So, what I did, I picked up these elements and went to the PQI search engine, pasted the query here, added the date because I am looking for the results which were published before this date, and clicked on the prior art finding button. Then some results came, actually 10 results came. The most relevant 10 results came out of a huge database of patents and research papers. And in that, one of the results seemed very relevant. This one, wireless earpiece, interchangeable microphone and antenna tubes. The best part was, the result also showed the mapping of element from the query with the text from the patent document. And it seemed that this could be a relevant prior art. With the view document option, I went to see the pictures associated to get an idea of is it actually talking about those wireless earpieces and some other text from the document, and felt that it could be a strong prior art, and I submitted it on the prior art search platform. And it got accepted with a prior art rank 3. That is, so 4 is the rank 4 shows complete relevance. Rank 3 shows maybe a little element missing there. Then I felt excited and used PQI, the search engine that we are talking about, and spotted many more results. I tried putting the claim of the subject patent there and different things, writing the query in natural language, that is just writing here, wireless earphones or wireless earbuds, and spotted a lot of results and submitted them here. And interestingly, most of the submissions are in scope. Some are even duplicate. By duplicate, we mean some other freelance researchers like me also submitted the same reference for the study. So actually it's like a prior art search competition wherein a lot of people participate, and based on the submissions, their relevance, you get to win a prize. But it was really interesting, and I loved the way how PQI has enhanced the prior art search experience. And I felt like recording a little testimonial for them. And I invite you all, if you are a prior art researcher or have got anything to do with the prior art, it's a must try search engine.